Hey guys, this is Mr. Stuck, and I wanted to make a quick video so that you could know how to navigate Canvas. I know this is going to be a change for a lot of you who got used to Google Classroom, like me, but we can get through this together. When you log into Canvas, you should see several courses. For me, I see English 10, Language Arts 7, and then Science Fiction Online. We're going to go with Language Arts 7 here. When you guys click on that, it's going to take you to the first page. This is my first page though. This is the teacher view. So I'm going to switch to student view right now. When you get to student view, it's going to look something like this. All right. You're going to see the to-dos over here. It's going to tell you that we've got a Google Meet conference tomorrow. Okay. That's a check-in so that we can just kind of see each other and say hi. And then you see over here different modules. Okay. Not all of them, just a few. The first one here is about your teacher. Then there's some online sources, journal activities, novel requirements. And then this right here is module 1. And this is the stuff that you would start working through. Now this is going to be a very different experience for you because you don't have me in your face, in front of your face, telling you, hey, you need to do this and that activity and make sure it gets done at this time. This is more on your own. Now that could get a little confusing and might get a little frustrating as well. And if that's the case, you need to make sure you reach out to me. But let's give this a shot, okay? If we take a look at assignments, we'll go through these different things here. It's going to tell you that you have a novel requirements quiz. Now, could you take this quiz right now? Sure, but you don't know what is going on for that quiz. So that's going to be a little tricky, right? So what should you do? Well, if we go through these different things, and I would recommend that you guys just kind of click around and check things out. There's going to be a lot of empty boxes right now because we haven't had a chance to start anything. You're going to see, okay, this is interesting. Pages. This is just a list of different pages. This is the home page. Okay. Down here is the syllabus. There are various quizzes down here. And then the modules is where you'll spend most of your time. In the modules, you can see about your teacher. There I am. You could check out the Loom video if you wanted to, and then you could identify the Google Meet code that we'll use tomorrow at 9. Okay. You will click this next button here to go to the next module, which is resources. And in resources, this is going to tell you a little bit about online learning. Now there's a couple of things I need to point out to you to make sure that you're using this as well as possible. In this window, you can see information, and then right here, you can see the next button. Up here, you can see that there are 9 different slides, and then you can see this little greater than sign, and you could click that for navigation to go to the next slide, and I'll do that. Or you can click the next button down here to take it to the next slide. Either one works, but there are 9 slides. Now, there are those buttons, and you need to go through those different 9 slides. But there are other navigation buttons. Down here is a next button, and this will take you to the next part of the module. It's not going to take you to the next slide. So be careful as you're navigating, because inside the box, you're going to want to click this button, or you're going to want to click this button. Okay, but you're not going to want to click this because it'll take you to the next activity. So I'll click that. It's going to take you to a journal activity, and it gives you some information right here. Okay, there's only this. There's nothing that you need to do here. And then you would click on this to take you to the next part of the module. Inside that, you're going to again see navigation up here inside the box, or down here inside the box. But then there's also this one outside of the box. And as long as you make sure that you don't mistake the inside the box buttons and the outside of the box buttons, it's really not that complicated. Again, if you start having trouble, get confused, don't know where to go or what to do, please message me. Hope this helps, and good luck.